INDECOM probe shooting of 25-year-old mentally ill man after cop's death. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Independent Commission of Investigation, INDECOM, has launched a probe into the fatal shooting of a mentally ill man in Linstead Market, St. Catherine, on Friday by the police. The deceased has so far been identified as 25-year-old Alwyn Shakespeare. INDECOM stated that it was advised of the fatal wounding of Jamaica Constabulary Force Officer JCF, Detective Constable Paul Gordon in the township of Linstead. The Commission extends condolences and sympathies to the family and colleagues and friends of Detective Constable Gordon and Mr. Shakespeare. Both incident scenes were processed jointly by INDECOM at the Major Investigation Division of the JCF. INDECOM investigation will include gathering of forensic evidence for testing, interviews for law enforcement officers, witnesses, and also statement collection. The assistance of the public is very important, and persons are therefore reminded to contact the Commission head office and share any information that will help in the investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.